Hey, Gospel Guitarist here, and I just thought I'd do a quick update. It won't be a very long video. Just letting people know because everybody's like, well, do you still like Linux now? So here it is a month later, a little over a month later, that I've been running Linux LMDE 7 with the KDE Plasma desktop on top of it, the operating environment, the desktop environment. And I really like this environment. And I've also using a different set of icons. As you can see, these are all very bright and colorful. And I remember seeing this years ago, and I always wanted it. And this is the Candy icon set. And I'm running everything. I downloaded some. See, we got to go down the list. Everything is so quick and easy in this stuff. I downloaded Sweet right here, highlighted. This is the global theme that I'm using right now. And I can switch it to Breeze, which is what it was in the last video. You have Debian Breeze. You can download, different themes. I haven't tried Lion yet, but it looked interesting. But I like the nice and colorful display, and the desktops that I like, the desktop backgrounds I use look good with it. And I've just been in here making the system more my own over the last 4 or 5 weeks, setting up my colors the way I like them, application styles. Again, this is just a real quick overview of what you can do with Linux. And in case you're curious, I'm getting more into it. I'm getting it more customized to my liking. You got icon sets, cursors, system sounds, splash screens similar to Windows. Just pick what you want to see when it boots, and your login screens, and of course your desktop. And so everything is very quick. It's still quick. It hasn't slowed down. My data drive is an external drive, which it finds it and it logs me into it, or mounts the drive all by itself. I don't have to do anything with that. So I just thought I'd give a quick update. I'm still here, still using it. I'm using OBS right now to make this video, and it's been working great, and I'm happy. I'm just so happy right now to have my computer back. I actually feel like I really do have my computer back. I can do anything I want with this, and it doesn't crash. It doesn't give me blue screens. It doesn't give me issues downloading software. I don't have to worry about any of it anymore, and I don't have to worry about codes and passcodes to load your software and all that junk. It's just literally is freedom. So that's my update. I'm still here, still using it, and I don't think I'm going to go back. I have a desktop tower that is running Windows 10 for my games and stuff because I like older games, and I have it for some music software to, like Boss. They have software to deal with the settings inside their machines, and you can upload and download things for 11 rack or different processors. So I need those there because they're not being made for Linux. I'm hoping at some point these companies will see the viable option to create these things for Linux, so that this user base, which is now growing, can also be able to do everything here in Linux. So that's my update. If you find it helpful, let me know. If you're thankful for the video, let me know. If you have questions about Linux, let me know. I can't do anything unless you let me know. So this was just a quick update I felt I needed to do so that it's a little follow-up, because most people say they changed. But did they stay? I don't know. They never released another video. So I thought I'd release a video late. A couple people have done it. 6 months down the road, a year or two down the road, and I'm happy a month down the road. So everyday driver right here. So I'm happy with it. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.